Today I will finally be starting to clear out the land bridge that is currently over top of my cave home. I have done a little bit already just to see how far we would have to go back. I didn't finish the entire line, but we have to go quite a ways. And I also found a dungeon right in the middle of this mountain top. And this is the second one I have found. The second one is in my little base down there, which I'm not gonna show you right now, but so first let's see how far this goes exactly. I don't think it went that far back. Okay, looks like it went a decent way, which means if I okay, yeah, it goes a little further than I'd like to count on blocks, but no matter. We will figure it out, and we will do it anyway. Let us begin. Now we are going to be here for a while, so let's get with the time lapse. And there we go, the land bridge has been removed. Now, I've been thinking about what I was going to do with this once I actually got this far. I was thinking I would clear out some of the area and like square it out. I know I said I wanted a dome, and oh, pardon the scan, it wouldn't load for some reason. So I know I was going to say I put a dome over the ravine, but I think first I'm going to make like a little area and like just clear out, see what we're dealing with here. So let's see what we got going on. this is the square all outlined in cobblestone. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around to all these like gaps along the edges and fill them in. So I will spare you the trouble of watching me do so. Now I have finally filled in all the holes around this humongous square. I even did a little bit of hollowing out on the inside. There's a lot of dirt and stone that's definitely come in handy for building temporary bridges. And I even made a temporary little zombie spawner to work with here. Don't worry, this is not the finished product. I got a better plan in store for it. But this is what I have for now. This is going to be my upper floor. I have a couple ideas of what I want to use it for. And my skin finally loaded back on, which is amazing. Also, for those of you who wonder who use granite and andesite for builds, I am one of them. I use granite and andesite in some builds, not all of them, just the few here and there that I do use them for. The start of my little cave base, I even got a little wandering trader coming in here. It's like the fourth one I've seen. I have a few ideas of what I would like to do with this place, but those are for next episode. For now, we will just worry about the finishing out the rest of the square and making all the levels what I would like them to end up being. That is all for this episode. Please, thank you for watching, and please, can't wait to see you on the next one.